जब से मानव सभ्यता का विकास हुआ और हम जीव अपने आप को समझने लगे, तब से मृत्यु और जन्म के विषय में सारे दार्शनिक आज तक फेल हैं। क्वेश्चन मनोहर जी एंड फिजिस्ट के ज्ञान के चलते मुझे आज अनुभव हुआ कि जितने मैटर हैं उनमें 4 मेन फोर्स काम करती है। स्ट्रॉन्ग न्यूक्लियस फोर्स, लूज न्यूक्लियस फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक फोर्स एंड ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स फ्रॉम अर्थ टू द यूनिवर्स। Wherever we can see with the telescope or with the science, everywhere these all forces are acting with the dynamic force, and due to that forces only we can understand each everything. Beyond that, there is one dark matter that is 100% full of, beyond the universe there is only dark matter. Suppose one honey is there, where the honey eggs are getting fertilized, but there is full of honey comb. That comb is only the dark matter, is the beyond the universe. If in our body or the universe the nucleus force, which is having the strongest force, after diffusion there will be a big bang, that is called bomb or the original Big Bang. Now it is called fusion of nucleus and result is bomb. Like that, there are 2 nucleus force. One is strong, one is the loose. The loose matter, those are having nucleus force, they are hindering one place to other place. But those bodies are having the strong nucleus force, they are stable in the universe. Like that, whole the nebula, whole the universe, all these 5 forces acting in dynamic force. With the dynamic, it is not linear, it is in the dynamic force. Due to that only all the creatures, they can see, they can speak, they can feel the thirsty or hungry. They only can feel their Indriya Shakti. They can feel their mind. They can image their soul. They can image the Supreme Soul. Like that, whichever we cannot see, dark matter, there is 99% dark matter and only 1% whichever we are hindering hither and thither. That is called our Chetan. If the strong nuclear force, loose nuclear force, electromagnetic force of the matter and the gravitational force of the universe is vanished, there is the collapse of this visible universe. Like that, we are getting perish, and lastly we are telling that he is dead, she is dead, we are dead. That is the definition of a dead person. So, it is the fundamental phenomena of the universe, like pendulum of a watch. It is going one end, coming in center, again it is going other end, and it is continuous. This is the nature of the universe. We should not fear the death, we should not fear of the loss of anything. Oh my God, I have understood by the study of cosmology and physics and whoever our scientist, I have got their theory and I come to conclusion, this is the universe where we are doing our prescribed job. We should not assume that we are going to die. We should not assume that we are going to be commended. Thanks for all the scientists.